Hello, fourth grade. It's Miss Kovarik with Science Lesson 19. So this week our topic is going to be space, and I wanted to start with a little introduction about our solar system. So what is a solar system? Basically, a solar system is one specific system in outer space. There are many, many, many different solar systems. We are just one solar system in our galaxy. So there's even other solar systems that are within our actual galaxy. It's important to know, though, that the universe is infinitely huge. We have no idea how big it is. We have no idea how many other planets, solar systems, universes are out there. So it's difficult to say what other solar systems look like, but we do know what our solar system looks like. So what's in our solar system? Well, first of all, we have our 8 planets. We have moons that go around our planets. Not every planet has a moon, and some planets actually have more than one moon. So the number of moons depends on where the planet is, how big it is, and how quickly it moves. We also have asteroids, which is this picture right here. Asteroids are pieces of rock, pieces that break off of moons or planets and are floating around in space. Sometimes you might hear that there is an asteroid coming near Earth. That can happen at times, but typically NASA researches it and figures out a way to stop it before it causes damage to the people on our planet. There are comets. You might have heard of like meteor showers. That is these little things in the sky. They are, I believe they're pieces of star fragment. I'm not 100% sure, but they have that tail on them and they go around in our solar system at times. We have stars. There are smaller stars and there are bigger stars. The biggest star in our solar system is the sun. And we have smaller stars as well, of course. And some stars make up pictures in our sky, which we call constellations. These are different depending on where you live. There are many different constellations that you can see at different points of the year and at different places in on Earth, and they make pictures in the sky if you connect the stars, kind of like a connect the dots. And again, remember, this is just our solar system. There are so many other solar systems in the universe that we will probably never be able to see them. So our planets. All planets follow an orbit around the sun. Remember, an orbit is that path that it takes around the sun. So it's not the actual movement, the orbit is the path that it follows. All planets move at their own speed. So the way that Earth moves is not the same way that the other 7 planets move. They all move at their own speed when they rotate, which is when they spin, and they also move at their own speed when they revolve around the sun, which is why days and years are different depending on which planet you're on, because a year is how long it takes the planet to get all the way around the sun, whereas a day is how long it takes the planet to spin once on its axis. There are also different distances away from the sun, and you can see that in this picture here. Some planets are very close to the sun, and some planets are very far away, and that's going to affect the temperature, because the closer you are to the sun, the more heat you're going to get from it. So as you saw in this picture, these are our inner planets. These are our outer planets. The inner planets are closer to the sun, which means they are warmer. They are rocky planets. They are made of rock or metal. And the 4 planets that make up the inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Our outer planets are further away from the sun. They are called the gas giants, and they're called this because not only are they very big, but they are made up of hydrogen and helium, which are 2 gases. The biggest gas giants are going to be Jupiter and Uranus. They are the biggest ones. And they are made of dust and other particles. So, not made up of rock and metal like our inner planets are. The gas giants are made up of dust and gas and other things that are found in the solar system. And these 4 planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All right, so that was just a little introduction. Please use this slideshow to help you with your questions. The answers are all here. You just need to find them. And let's review those questions so I can let you get started. So number 1 wants to know what is not an object found in our solar system. So go back to that slide. Which one is not found in our solar system? 2, true or false, our solar system is the only one that exists in outer space. 3, true or false, the sun is a star. 4, what do all planets move around? So what is that object that they're all moving around? The moon, the sun, the earth, or a space station. Number 5 is true or false, all planets move at the same speed. Number 6, what is the path an object takes around the sun? An orbit, an axis, a constellation, or a satellite? Number 7, which is not an outer planet? Go back to that slideshow, which is not an outer planet. And then lastly, why are outer planets called the gas giants? Because the planets look like gas is moving across the planets. The planets are large and made up of gases. The planets don't move, or the planets are the center of the solar system. All right, I hope you guys have a great Monday, and I will be back tomorrow to dive a little bit deeper into space. Have a great day, guys. Bye.